Hello guys, I tested Pipe Bobo Drain Cleaner. Are these real results or overhyped? Many of the ads and promotional claims about Pipe Bobo present it as some kind of miracle liquid that instantly dissolves any clog deep in your pipes, clears hundreds of blockages, and sanitizes your drains with minimal effort. On paper, this sounds great, but independent reviewers point out that the dramatic before after visuals in ads don't reflect real physics or chemistry in reality. Strong blockages usually require mechanical force or professional tools, not just a bottle of liquid. A few product pages for Pipe Bobo style cleaners describe them as foaming or effervescent tablets or liquids that help break down grease, hair, soap, scum, and buildup, which can improve flow and reduce minor clogs when used as part of regular maintenance. These versions tend to be safer on common plumbing materials and easier to use than harsh chemical gels, and similar drain cleaners do help with lighter drain issues. Overall, Pipe Bobo is not a scam in the sense of being totally fake, and it can help with light buildup and smell reduction just like other over-the-counter drain cleaners do. However, the hype about instantly obliterating heavy clogs is overblown, and for tough or long-standing blockages, a plumber or stronger mechanical tools are usually the more reliable choice. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video.